In a significant step towards ensuring the safety and well-being of children and women, Paul Lyngdoh, the Social Welfare Minister, announced on Monday that the government has taken active measures to activate the helpline number 181. This helpline serves as a lifeline for individuals in need, offering vital assistance to those facing challenges and vulnerabilities. Highlighting the comprehensive approach, Lyngdoh shared that a dedicated website has been launched to complement the helpline services. This aims at streamlining access to assistance and information, ensuring that the services provided are optimized and easily accessible to those seeking support. The Child and Women Helpline number 181 has long been a crucial resource for individuals in distress.
Activated the Women Helpline, which is 181 Women Helpline, and I would request you to visit the Directorate office because we have installed the latest gadgets and machines which will help to track calls and also track the response system, and also there is a dedicated website which has been activated in order to enable this service to be at its peak.